Hey friends, welcome back. Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Today I'm tackling the underside of my sink, underneath the sink. I don't know what you want to call this area, but it's not completely crazy, but I just feel like some of the things were thrown in there and I needed to throw some of the things out, so that's what I am doing today. I just wanted to get it all cleared out, and then I wipe it down and just resort back all the stuff that I have. So I hope you guys enjoy. And today I'm going to use the Mrs. Meyer's in the pumpkin scent. It's not my complete favorite of the fall scents, but I just wanted to try to use it and get rid of it, honestly. So it obviously does the job. It's just not my favorite scent of all the fall scents. So whenever I buy on Grove Collaborative, I really stock up on all the dish soap because I feel like I fly through that so quickly. And I really just love smelling all of the seasonal scents each season. So right now I'm just kind of lining up all my cleaners. I like to have them all facing forward. I put all my little packets for the dishwasher in a little tub. I just find that it takes up less space than the giant container that they come in. And then right now I'm just cleaning out this caddy that had gotten like shuffled around, and I just want to spray that out and get that clean as well. And I think I got this caddy at Target during like the summertime. I think it's like a picnic type caddy where you put your silverware and napkins. But I mean, you can use it for anything. So I believe that's where I got it at Target. So as you can see, I'm trying to figure out where to house some of the smaller stuff that I have that I do use on a daily basis. So I have like this room freshener, and then I came across this other little tray that I haven't been using. So I sprayed that off and I'm putting that in front of the little caddy just to house some of the smaller things that I use on a daily basis. So of course my little Sunny D had to make an appearance. He's just so funny. He is so curious as to what I'm doing. So I like to line everything up in rows by category. So I have my dish soap, my little Bonami powder cleaner, hand soaps, everyday cleaner, and then concentrates. And over on the right side is stuff that I use every day, or also all the stuff in that little caddy, just to house all the smaller things that really comes in handy to have something to contain it all in. So yeah, I think it looks much cleaner and more tidy. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching today, and thank you so much for flying by. Talk to you again soon.